Hello and welcome back to Simply Tasty for Picky Eaters. It's already day 4 of my mini-series, One Dough, 4 Different Snacks, and today we are baking something sweet. Cinnamon sugar pull-apart bread, soft, gooey and just the right amount of sweet. We are using the exact same dough as the past 3 days. After the dough has rested, I roll it out. Next, I brush the dough with some melted butter. Then I sprinkle a generous mix of sugar and cinnamon all over the surface. If your kids like things a little sweeter, feel free to add some brown sugar too. It gives it that caramel touch. I used date sugar and some cinnamon. After that, I just took my pizza cutter and I cut some squares in the dough. I stacked all these mini squares on top of each other and put them in an already greased mini loaf pan. I used up all the dough this way. I covered my pan for around 30 minutes to let it rise, and here you can see after baking it for 20 to 25 minutes, it turned out so super soft and golden and delicious. It's easy to pull them apart and you have just a sweet treat for between meals or also for your lunchbox. If you like my recipes and my videos, please follow, like and subscribe for more. See you soon here at my channel.